The ocean suddenly becalmed. The skies like brass, the sun like a ball of fire, the water green like oil and full of slimy things, till one day a strange incident happens. There passed a weary time, each throat was parched and glassed, each eye. A weary time, how glassed each weary eye, when looking west where I beheld a something in the sky. At first it seemed a little speck, and then it seemed a mist. It moved and took at last a certain shape I wist. A speck a mist, a shape I wist, and still it neared and neared, as if it touched the water's pride. It plunged and tacked and reared, with throats and slake, with black lips spake. We could not laugh away. Throughout a drought all dumb we stood. I bit my arm, I sucked my blood, and cried a sail. The western wave was all aflame, the day was well nigh done. Almost upon the western wave rest the broad red sun, when that strange shape drove suddenly betwixt us and the sun. And he cried, the Belfast child. And he cried, Belfast child, Belfast child, the Belfast child, the Belfast child, the Belfast child, the Belfast child. And he cried, the Belfast child.